Hello everyone, welcome to Shotcut video tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you trim a video or cut a video into various parts in Shotcut video editor. Now in this video we are going to see the different ways in which you can actually manipulate your video or cut it short or trim it in the Shotcut video editor. So we are going to see how can you trim it from the beginning, from the end and from anywhere in the middle. So without any further ado, let us just start with the tutorial. So here if you see on the preview screen, this is my video that is of a tractor plowing a field that I want to trim. The first step is the very basic step that tells you how can you either trim the video from the beginning or from the end. So once your video is in the preview tab, you will see that there is a blue box that shows its duration and it is covered through its entire duration or length of the video. Then you will see that there is a mark that comes over here on the very 0th frame. If you just drag it towards the right side, then your video starts trimming. Similarly, the same icon, same arrowhead is shown over here. If you just drag it towards the left, then the video duration is actually getting trimmed from the very end. Now if you just go to the very first frame of the video, this symbol on the player actually symbolizes the very first frame. So if you just click on play, then the video is now trimmed and placed from that particular position. So this is one way of trimming the video. Once you have trimmed the video, you can simply just click on this plus icon to bring it onto your timeline, and then you can just make changes to it the way you want. But suppose you don't want to trim it directly into the preview tab. So what we are going to do in that case, let us just get our video onto the preview tab first. This is the same video. We don't want to trim it from here. We want to see the second way of trimming. So let us just bring it onto the timeline. Here what you can do is you can just go to the very first frame or the very last frame, and here you will see that the arrowhead, which was a hand, now changes into this kind of an icon. If you just drag it all to the way to the left or to the right, this is how you can simply just trim your video onto the track. If you just play the video, so this is how it is playing. It has been trimmed from the end. Now our video is ending over here only. Okay. Similarly, if you want to decrease the duration of your video from the middle, or if you want to cut some part of the video, so you have to firstly go to that particular part where you want to trim your video. Then using this split icon, split at playhead, just click here once. Then the video would be trimmed into two parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. Suppose my scene is starting from here and it goes on to show the field, which I don't want to be included in my frame. So this is the part that I want to delete from the video or trim from the video. Again, select the ending part where you want to trim. Again, click on this split button or just press the S key from your keyboard. Select the part and press the delete key. Now this particular frame is deleted. However, if you just go to the very first frame to again play the video, then what happens is your first part of the video is playing, then it goes blank for some time, and then again the last part of the video plays. So this is not the ideal behavior until and unless you want to replace with another clip. Then what you can do is just drag this second part all the way to where it meets the first part. Now if you just play your video, so let us just play from over here, actually a few frames before the cut actually happens. So if you just play the video now from this particular point, here you can see that the video plays normally, then the second video starts immediately after the first video ends. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.